So this is part 2 of the hailstorm. Oh my gosh. Just completely wasted. People over there. Dude, the cherries, the water, that stuff is insane. Just look at it. That was the biggest hailstorm like I've ever experienced in my life. I wish I got it on YouTube like as it happened, but dude, it felt like people were banging on the windows like as hard as possible, just you know, and then I thought I heard a crack. But nothing really happened. I don't think all of our windows are safe. My cat, Bella, is like hidden and I couldn't find her, but that doesn't matter. I think she's safe. Oh my gosh. Everything is just wasted. Oh. I'm gonna walk to my house. Oh my gosh. Dude, it looks like a fantasy. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh, there's like a leaf stuck to my ankle. Oh my gosh. They had their garage open. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, it's starting to hail again. I gotta go. There's water. It's starting to hail. Oh, look. More mist. Yeah, it's starting to hail again, so I gotta get back inside. Oh yeah, it's definitely starting to hail again. So I'm gonna get back inside. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video so far. This is the part 2. Because the water canceled my first video that it would have extended. Hi, Tori. Oh my gosh. Come on. Stupid leaf. It's irritating. Oh. Okay. I'll be downstairs. Okay, so that was insane. It's starting to hail again. I gotta write that in my journal, bro. Anyways, if you guys like this video, then you could give it a thumbs up if you want. So yeah, there's all kinds of stuff that happened. I was just watching some Corey Kenshin, and like, just all of a sudden, I was sitting right there. Oh man. Oh yeah. This happened. Just wait. You know those things, the wire that goes over your window to protect your window and stuff? That's what that's wow. That's a lot of damage. Shoot, dude. I feel bad for the deer, the bunnies, the rabbits. The bunnies and rabbits are the same thing, Brad. What are you thinking? Just, oh my gosh, just insanity. Like, seriously, guys. That's the first, that's like some content, man. Alright? Like, seriously. We got rid of the baby hamsters. Well, we didn't get rid of them. We were fostering them in the first place. So we had to give them away, but they were really awesome. So, yeah. My iPad's 10%, so I gotta leave soon. But, if you guys like this video, then that's awesome. It's like, yeah, it's insane in this state. Just insane weather happens. But, anyways, if you like, yeah, comment if you want, subscribe if you want. Oh, it's just part of paper toweling. Okay, see you guys later.